हेलो ऑल। तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए एक मोस्ट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन है वो ये कि अगर हम इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं तो हाउ डू वी डू इट। और बहुत सारे मेथड्स निकल पड़ रहे हैं कि यू कैन प्रैक्टिस स्पीकिंग वेल लुकिंग इनटू द मिरर, यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट थ्रू कन्वर्सेशंस, यू मस्ट ऑलवेज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश इन योर डेली लाइफ। एंड डेली लाइफ के कोई ऑब्जेक्ट्स ले ली, टब हो गया, मग हो गया और वट एवर, और उस पर आप बोलने की कोशिश करें। Start from 30 seconds, then switch around to 40-45 seconds, then to 60 seconds, and practice English speaking while telling about that object, while describing its qualities, while describing its use and use in your life, so on. जैसे कि मेरे पास अभी पड़ी है ये एक पेंसिल, तो आई कैन स्पीक ऑन इट, राइट? तो yes, my 30 seconds starts now. Meet my pencil. This is the blue one with a yellow topping. I bought it day before yesterday and I've already finished it to the half. As you can see, its length. And I always love writing with pencils because with pencils you can whenever you write with the pencils you can erase your mistakes. Well, with pens this is not so. I always loved drawing, and pencil and drawings go hand in hand because the most important tool while you draw is your pencil. And though this is blunt, I can often sharpen it with my sharpener, and it comes very handy. I love the crunch sound which it makes while writing on the paper. Sometimes it is quiet, but sometimes it makes a really loud noise. And I can relate my whole education life through the pencil, especially my childhood. Not only my childhood but everybody's childhood is related to pencil. Since I am a teacher, I am still connected with the pencil most of the times. When I teach the younger ones, the toddlers, I kind of use it with them. इसी तरीके से आप कोई भी डे टू डे ऑब्जेक्ट अपने पास का ले लीजिए और उस पर अपने आप को एक वर्क दीजिए कि यू कैन थिंक एटलीस्ट फॉर, ठीक है, 30 seconds you can take in thinking about that object, and now you come out with your lines. You can speak on that. Try speaking on that so that it furnishes your quality of speaking. It furnishes your sentence making. It furnishes your writing skill, and then your it also improvises your thinking and how you can turn your thinking in English to your speaking in English. So सीखते रहिए मेरे साथ ऐसे ही some easy English and the tricks to speak more good English. Bye all.